Technology may have been born from the synergy between science and industry, but its ultimate value lies in the power it exerts to better people's lives. Let's learn how the latest technologies are advancing the human cause. Kids have always hated wearing helmets, yet parents have never let up on insisting they protect themselves when riding bikes or playing sports. But the fact is, while most of us would consider ourselves safe from harm with a helmet on, the number of concussions and traumatic brain injuries appear to be rising.
2 studies released by the American Academy of Pediatrics report the number of concussions suffered by children in sports is on the rise. One found that from 1997 to 2007, emergency room visits for kids with concussions had skyrocketed 200%.
Most people are more focused on the comfort of helmets rather than the protective qualities. They're concerned about the look and the feel of a helmet rather than what it does in terms of protection. While comfort is also a factor we strive to address, our primary concern is protecting the wearer from the long-term, potentially fatal injuries of concussions and traumatic brain injuries by focusing on what goes inside the helmet.
Scott Burke is CEO of Team Wendy, a manufacturer of high-impact and energy-absorbing material called Zorbium, used in the company's line of protective helmet pads and liners. The company was founded by Dan Moore as a memorial to his daughter Wendy, who was killed as the result of a traumatic brain injury sustained while skiing without a helmet. Since then, their primary mission has been to research traumatic brain injury causes and prevention and promote the importance of helmet safety. Engineered by Team Wendy chemists, the company's patented Zorbium foam has been proven to absorb impact significantly better than other existing helmet materials. The material is also easily customizable for many different applications.
In 2005, Team Wendy was chosen as the sole authorized provider of combat helmet pads for the U.S. Army and the Marine Corps because its Zorbium foam performs significantly better than the competition. Since then, the company has issued more than 3 million helmet pads to soldiers and Marines around the world.
As a research and development organization, Team Wendy strives to create materials and products that improve blast and blunt impact protection. We do not put a product out to market unless we know it is better than what is currently available, which oftentimes results in replacing our own products.
In order to create the most protective product possible, Team Wendy puts their helmet padding through incredibly rigorous testing that exceeds the standards. For blast testing, the company uses surrogate head foams built to mimic an actual head with a brain. Engineers set off an explosion, then analyze the head form to see what kinds of changes have taken place. To analyze the effects of injuries resulting from blunt impacts, the company employs the use of an impact tester. A helmet equipped with Team Wendy pads is attached to a head form and then dropped to simulate a potentially fatal impact.
We have on-site chemistry and engineering labs utilizing state-of-the-art test equipment, and we partner with universities and medical institutions like the Cleveland Clinic to make sure all our products are as protective as possible. We're also currently leading a number of federally funded research and development initiatives and have partnered with Wayne State University to utilize their expertise in biomechanics.
In addition to combat helmet systems, Team Wendy also manufactures impact mitigating seats and protective athletic equipment. Moving forward, the company plans to position itself as a provider of impact materials for all things protective.
Team Wendy will play a leading role in the development of materials and systems relevant to protective equipment in numerous industries. We also see ourselves as a solutions provider to other companies in a number of different industries who need impact materials to make their products safer and more effective. What sets us apart from the competition has always been and will always be that we didn't start a company simply to sell products. We started a company to save lives.